sales partners, my name is Shayne and welcome to another episode of Sales Tip to Keep. Facebook is the #1 platform that we use in digital marketing. Majority of sales professionals are using Facebook to promote their products, generate more leads, and even communicate with their clients. Facebook ad is one of the most effective tools in product promotion and lead generation. Today, I'm going to teach you how to boost an ad in Facebook without spending too much and still reach a more targeted or niched Facebook users. I will be sharing to you my computer screen to show you the step-by-step process in Facebook boosting. First step is to log into your Facebook page. Once you are in your Facebook page, upload or choose a post that you want to boost. Example is this video. At the bottom of the picture or video, you will see a blue button that says Boost Post. Click the blue button and a pop-up will appear. Once the pop-up appears, you can now start customizing your ad. First is your goal on this ad. Either you want to get more views on the video or generate leads by connecting and chatting with your clients. Of course, we are aiming for the latter. Next is you want to add a button at the bottom of your ad. This will encourage your viewers or clients to engage on your post or ad. On this part, you are given multiple options, but I highly suggest that you choose the send message button to capture interested leads. Next step is to scroll down a little bit and edit your targeted audience. This is very important because you want to make sure you are maximizing your budget and only show your ad to those who might be really interested with the product that you are offering. So here, you can choose the gender. You can also become more specific with the age range, the location. As you can see, you can be very specific on this. You can choose the country and even go down to the city if you want. Lastly, you can become even more detailed by typing in the specific demographics or interest of your targeted niche. The more niched down your ad is, the higher the result of generating good leads. If you scroll once more, you will see the targeted audience meter. Don't mind on the potential audience size since we want to make sure we are targeting the right audience. Make sure that the indicator on the meter is leaning towards specific or at least in the middle of the meter. After that, hit save and now you are back on the first pop-up. Now, before hitting on boost, there is a last step that we must do, and that is allotting the right budget. Scroll down and here you will see the duration of your ad and the corresponding budget. You may customize on how many days your ad will be boosted. Facebook will tell you if the number of days still fits your budget. Let's say you want it 6 days or more, you just increase the budget that you will spend. You may also lower down your budget and lower down the duration of boosted day of your ad. You will also see the daily budget at the bottom. Here, you can see that you are only spending 60 pesos per day. That is cheaper than a cup of coffee or milk tea, right? After reviewing everything, you may now click on Boost and your ad is now under Facebook Review. Facebook Review is important to make sure that you are following the guidelines that was set by Facebook in posting ads. It will only take not less than 2 hours and you will receive a notification that your ad has been approved. Now, to see the progress of your ad, you may click the View Details link just below that post. Once you click it, a pop-up will appear with the detail of your boosted ad. Here, you will see the overall performance of your boosted ad, how much you have spent per day, and also the average spending per interaction or engagement from your viewer. Below, you can see the details of the ad and you can even add budget to increase the number of audience or the duration of your boosted ad. Let's see now the ads that I have boosted before. As you can see here, with 300 peso budget, I have reached 21,284 Facebook users and 1,435 engagements. Let me show you the details of this successful post. You see the amount I spent per engagement? 21 cents. And below, you will see the details of the said engagement. Here is the more interesting part. Since I niched down my viewers, you will see here the details of it. From gender to the age, to the kind of gadget they are using, and even the location. So next time, I will know what age bracket should I target and their location. And that's how you effectively post a Facebook ad without spending too much. And making sure that you are targeting the right market, people, or Facebook user. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your colleagues and business partners. Once again, my name is Shayne, saying your success in business is just one click away. Happy selling! Bye!